let me give you some tips on how to launch more strategically. One is you need pre-launch buildup. All I did was secretly build this course, and then all of a sudden one day I email my list, hey, here's a course, it's for sale. Think about movie theaters and movie studios did this. Think about if you had no idea that the new Avengers movie was coming out or when it was coming out or that it was even being made. And all of a sudden, there's a billboard that shows up, Avengers Endgame is in theaters right now. You'd be like, what? Did you hear that? Avengers Endgame is out? Is it really? Like, nobody would be there in the theater that first day or that first weekend because they didn't know about it. They weren't excited about it. So much of getting people to the box office is hype. It's all pre-launch hype and buildup. And you need to do the same thing for your products. Hint that something is awesome and it's coming. And you can get really specific. You can even tell them what it is and when it's coming. Number two, when you launch, don't do what I did in 2010, where I just sent 1 or 2 emails and I was like, here you go. You want a launch week. It can be 4 or 5 days. It can be 7, 8, 9, 10 days. But typically I like a 5-day window, 5 to 7 days. But in a 5-day window, like if you opened on a Monday and you're launching all week long, you want 5 emails minimum, 1 each day at the launch, minimum. This is where a lot of people go wrong. They don't want to bug their list, which when they say that bugs me. I'm like, why else have a list if you're not going to sell to them? That's the whole point of a list. You're not bugging them. You're telling them about some amazing life-changing thing that's going to make their life better. That's not bugging them. If it bugs them, which it inevitably will bug some people, they can unsubscribe and leave, and they should. You're not going to bug people. It's your duty to let everybody know that your thing's coming out. And then number 3 is you need some sort of scarcity element. I've talked about this before on my YouTube channel, but whether you're closing the course, so this is their only chance to join, it's going to close on Friday or close on Monday or whenever you close it, or the price is going to go up after this launch week. So if you want it at this price, it's going to double or it's going to go up by 50%. You might as well get it now. Or there's a bonus, an amazing irresistible bonus that you're offering during launch week that if you buy during launch week, you get this bonus. If you wait till next week, you don't get the bonus. So you might as well buy now. You need some element of scarcity or urgency, depending on how you use the word, to convince them if they're on the fence and like, oh, this looks awesome. Most people, they're just going to come back and check it out later, which means they're never going to buy it. Even if they intend to, they're going to get busy and distracted. So it's your job to give them a reason to buy now. And I didn't do that at all with my first course. I just sent out an email or 2, no launch buildup, and it was like, it's for sale. You can get it whenever you want.